Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. A lot of people have been asking us to do a comparison video on all three displays for the CYC motors. So they have the SW102, the DS103, and the 750C. So today I'm going to be covering in detail the SW102. So the SW102 is a super compact display. As you can see, the pin pad is integrated into the display. The power button's right here on top. The mode or the M button's right here. The up and down button are right there. The dimensions of this display are 110 millimeters by 68.2 millimeters by 68 millimeters. And I'm gonna put a picture of the dimensions of the other components of it on the screen right now, so you can pause your screen and look at that right now. Okay, so to turn on the display, just hold down the power button for a few seconds. There it goes. So this is your home screen for the SW102. It is a black and white screen. On the top, it'll show you which mode you are. So either you're in street mode or race mode, and I'll show you how to change that in a second. On the top is your assist level. So right now it's in 0. So you're not gonna, if you pedal, you're not gonna get any assist from the motor. To change the assist level, this up and down button right here. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 levels of assist. I'm gonna keep it in 0. Right there is your speedometer. And then at the bottom is your battery indicator in bars, and then also you can see it in voltage. So mine is a 52 volt battery. It's supposed to go all the way to 58.8, so I have to charge my battery. Right here in the middle, it shows you your some of your stats. So right now it's showing my trip distance. So if you press the menu button, it toggles some other statistics. So this is your trip time, this is your motor power, your motor RPM, the motor temperature, the controller temperature. And then they also have this built in, the heart rate and the beats per minute. I believe CYC hasn't set this up yet. I'll show you how this display can connect to your Bluetooth on your phone. So this is a Bluetooth display, and I'll show you how to connect to the app, and the app has much more detailed things that you can maneuver. The next thing I wanted to show you is that if you hold down the down button, your bike will go into walk mode. So basically, if you're going up a hill or you need some assist while you're walking, you hold down the down button and your motor will slightly kick on to give you a little bit of assist. That will only work in level 1, 2, or 3. It will not work in level 0. So let me show you. I'll press the down button. You'll see the symbol of the walk mode, but the motor is not kicking on. So just be careful of that. So next I want to show you how to get into the menu options. There's 2 different menu options on this display. There's a trip info one, and there is the main menu setting. And that will depend on how long your display has been on for. So if it's been on for more than 15 seconds and you hold down the M button, the menu button, then you go into the trip info. If it's been in less than 15 seconds and you hold down the same thing, the menu button, then you're gonna go into the main menu settings, which I'll show you in a second. So let me show you the trip info settings. So the first one is trip. You go inside and it shows you your average, your maximum miles per hour, your miles, and your odometer. This is where you would, if you wanna clean out your trip data, this is where you would go. So I just press the menu button in the screen, and then you have an option to press yes or no. So I'm just gonna do no for now. Second one is your human. It shows you your maximum and average watts, your calories, your average RPM, your max RPM. Third option is your motor, and this is in your trip info. So motor, same thing, it'll tell you your average and max watts, your consumption, your watt hours in consumption, and your efficiency, which is your watt hours per mile. And then if you want to exit, just exit this menu option. Okay, so now I want to show you how to get into the main menu settings. So it has to be, you have to press down the M button within 15 seconds. So it's been more, so I'm going to turn it off and then turn it back on. And now hold it down. So now the settings are different. So this is your main menu settings. So first one is mode. This is where you would change it if you want to be in street mode or race mode. This is where you would change it. I want to keep it in race mode, so just press the M button and it'll save it. Second one is which battery you're running on. So this you want to change. I am running a 52 volt, which is a 14S, so save that. My wheel diameter, so I have 27.5. So it goes as low as 16, and then it goes as high as a 700C. So 27.5, save. Your temperature. Do you want to see your temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit? I want to see it in Fahrenheit. Speed, if you want to see it in miles per hour or kilometers per hour. I want to see it in miles per hour. And this is auto off. So your display will turn off automatically after a certain period of time. You can choose 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm gonna keep it, or you can keep that off, which I wouldn't suggest because that's wasting battery life, which I had it set on. I'm gonna set it on 5 minutes. Oops. So let me go back to that one. So you can't hold it down. So just 5 minutes, hold it and save. And then last two options, if you want to set a password on here, I would suggest remembering your password, otherwise it's going to be a problem. So I'm going to do off, but this is where you would save your password. And the last option is your info, so your display info. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you as promised is how to connect to your Bluetooth with your phone. So this is a Bluetooth display. The app is called CYC Ride Control, and it's available for both Apple and Android platforms. So just click on it, and then you come to this screen right here, and you just click on it and you connect, and there you go. So on here you can see if you don't want to use your display if you want a bigger display basically, so you can look on your phone too. So it has the same settings, miles per hour. You can go from race mode to street mode. You can change that. Battery indicator, voltage, motor, power, cadence, human power. And if you swipe to the right, then you have all these settings that you can see on the go. So if you want to use your phone while you're riding, you can do the same thing. You can actually change a lot of things on your controller with this app, and I'm gonna make a detailed video on how to, what settings to change and how to optimize your controller. But I'm just going to show you what's available. So I'm running a Photon with this display. So you can go into general, and there's a lot of things, as you can see, you can change modes and levels, and you can adjust it accordingly. Throttle, pedal assist, peripheral setup. So it's very detailed. It's a very, very nice app from CYC. So, and I'm going to make a detailed video on the app, but I just wanted to show you this option is available with this display. So this ends our video on the SW102. Hopefully this was really helpful for you. If you like it, just give us a subscribe and like our channel, and we'll see you guys next time.